You can imagine how frustrating it is to spend so much time creating content. You prepare your topics and thumbnails, you make yourself up, you set up the camera and action. And you repeat this process for days, weeks, months, and you finally realize that you're not getting your expected results, and that something beyond your control is undermining all your efforts. It happens to content creators on social media and also to ordinary people living their daily lives. Since my last post in the community, some of you have asked what is the meaning of the term shadow ban. So I will take a second to explain what it means. In a layman's term and from a content creator's perspective, it means like someone keeping you busy without you accomplishing your desired results. Shadow banning is another form of ghosting. For example, when a platform like Facebook bans you from their platform, you will lose access to your account. That will make you not to be able to log into that platform. That is total banning. But for shadow banning, it's a subtle way of banning in the sense that they will still allow you to log into their platform, engage in other activities like posting, sharing, liking, and commenting on other people's posts. But no one will see all those activities. No one will see your likes, no one will see your comments and other things. Then on some platforms like YouTube, you'll be able to gain access into your account or the platform, and you'll be able to upload videos. But when you upload videos, just a fraction of your followers will be able to see them, and the platform will not recommend your videos to a new audience. On a user level, a YouTube channel can shadow ban you from their content if they don't like your presence or your activities around their channel. They can do this by going to your channel's page and hiding you from their channel. What this will do to you is that you can still watch their videos, subscribe to their channel, and even get notifications from their channels. But when you comment on their content, no one will see it. Even the channel's owner will not see your comments. And when you like their posts or videos, it won't count as one. So you'll be made to believe that others are seeing your activities around that channel, but no one sees it except you. So this is how a user can shadow ban another user on YouTube, but that's not the purpose of this video. Similarly, a platform can do the same to a user. For example, YouTube as a platform can shadow ban you for many reasons. When you violate their community guidelines or terms of service, they might still allow you to be on their platform instead of kicking you out outrightly. However, whatever thing you upload or post will only be visible to a small fraction of your audience, and your videos will not be recommended to a new audience. A way to find out if your channel has been shadow banned is through the views and engagements on your videos. So when you notice a dramatic drop on the views on your recent videos and you didn't change to another niche on the videos, and this happened for a long period, this could be a sign that your channel has been shadow banned. And again, when you search your channel or videos on YouTube search, and if your channel or videos do not show up in the YouTube search, that also can be a sign that your channel has been shadow banned. So I will share how you can resolve this in a minute. In my case, I was shadow banned revenue wise. This means I was getting the views, the likes, the subscribers, but the revenue wasn't coming in. This particular video has been generating an average of $3 a day, and the views and watch hours were coming as expected. Suddenly, the revenue dramatically dropped from an average of $3 to less than 1 cent per day. This happened a few months after I got monetized. Back then, I do check my earnings on a daily basis, so when this happened, it was easy for me to find it out quickly. After some days, I chatted with the YouTube support and informed them about this issue. So they checked my channel and told me that there was nothing wrong with my channel and that my revenue was okay. That I shouldn't be checking my revenue on a daily basis but on a monthly basis. So I have to wait for some days to see whether things will improve. I waited for another few days to see if the situation will come back to normal, but the issue still continued. So I needed some clarification because the YouTube support said that my channel was doing fine. There was nothing wrong with my channel, but I knew that there's something needed to be fixed on this channel because The views were coming in, the watch hours were coming in, the subscribers were coming in, but the revenue wasn't tallying with the numbers. I reached out to them several times and they keep telling me that there was nothing wrong with my channel, and I insisted that there was something wrong. So I contacted them over 5 times, and for over 2 weeks of back and forth, they eventually got the issue resolved. So it turned out that they forwarded my case to a higher support team who investigated the issue and got it resolved. However, many months later, the same issue came up, but it wasn't as bad as the first one. So when you notice an unusual change on your channel and you are very sure that you are in good standing with the YouTube community guidelines and terms of service, go to your YouTube studio and click on the chat icon on the upper right, and that will initiate a chat with a YouTube support personnel and lodge your complaints with them. You can only have access to this chat when you are part of the YouTube Partner Program. That was how I resolved the shadow ban on my revenue. So yours could be on your views, your subscriber count, or even your watch time hours. Like a channel that I knew that was working towards monetization, they noticed that there was a drop from their watch time hours from 3,000 something to 2,000 something without them deleting, privating, or unlisting a video on their channel. Aside from violating the YouTube community guidelines and terms of service, you could also be shadow banned due to system glitch. Like in my own case, it was a system glitch because other metrics were okay except the revenue. So I believe that there was some adjustment somewhere by the engineers and the problem got solved. When you have critically looked into your channel's analytics and you believe that you have been shadow banned in error, you can contact the YouTube support for help by following the steps I explained earlier. Also, you need to look into your content and remove any content that violates the YouTube community guidelines and terms of service. And sometimes YouTube purges fake accounts from its platform, and most times it affects your channels negatively and it seems as if you were shadow banned. So you need to compare all the metrics on your channel very well before you come to a conclusion. Since mid-2022, there have been complaints by some YouTubers about the views on their videos sloping down, especially their new uploads, and also the subscribing rate on their channel have gone very slow. And the worst of all is that their revenue is also going down. So in my own opinion, I believe this is as a result of the major changes YouTube is doing on its platform, like implementing the new monetization policies and repositioning of shorts on the platform, and probably some experiment they are running too. Most times they call it testing. So all the same, YouTube is still the best social media platform to upload your video content as a creator. That is, if you are not in their black book. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and let me know in the comment section if you have been shadow banned by a user or a platform before. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that you'll be getting valuable videos like this on your feed. And if you want to get the latest updates on my upcoming YouTube ads online workshop, click the first link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.